Hi friends, in this video let us solve a significant related question asked in grade 2009 EC paper. The question is the 4-point DFT of a discrete time sequence x of n is equal to 1, 0, 2, 3 is given. Okay, so we cannot use formula. If you use formula, it will take so much of time and we don't have that much time to get exam. So we have to use some properties. So what is DFT of x of n, x of k? That we have to find. This is x of 0, 4-point DFT, x of 1, it will be x of 2, and it will be x of 3. See that the property of DFT is x of 0 is sum of all samples. X of 0 is sum of all samples. What is sum of all samples? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. So x of 0 must be 6. We have to check whether it is 6. This is wrong. It is not x of 0, 6, so it is wrong. So these two are wrong. So either C or D should be right. Then another thing is, what is the other property of DFT? For 4-point DFT, x of 1 or x star 1 is equal to x of 3, or x of 3 is equal to x star 3 is equal to x of 1. That is, x1 and x3 are conjugate. You see this is 1 minus 3j, 1 plus 3j. So both are conjugate. Okay, that is proven. It is minus 1 plus 3j, minus 1 minus 3j. Right? Again, these two are conjugate. So again, we have confusion. Both are satisfying the formula or property. Then what we have to do? The center point xn by 2, that must be equal to sum of even sample minus sum of odd sample. Right? So if you do that, we have to sum of even sample. What is sum of even sample? 0 and 2. Right? So totally 3. Sum of odd sample 0 and 3 subtracted. So the answer is 0. So x of 2 must be 0. Which is x of 2? This is not. So here x of 2 is not equal to 0. It is 2. So this is wrong. This is right. So option D is the right answer. Thank you.